Have you ever met someone, found them attractive, confident, or charming, and instantly assumed they must also be smart, kind, or good at their job? That instant judgment is called the halo effect, one of the mind's sneakiest biases, quietly shaping how we see the world.
So basically, if someone seems great in one area, our brain automatically gives them bonus points everywhere else.
Exactly. It's like your brain saying, they're good at this, so they must be good at that too. We see one shining trait, and our brain fills in all the blanks with positive light.
That sounds nice until it's not.
Because while it feels harmless, it quietly distorts how we judge people, products, and even ideas.
Give me an example.
Imagine a job interview. Two candidates give nearly identical answers, but one walks in with better posture, smiles confidently, and has a warm tone. Guess who gets the offer?
So charisma actually changes how we hear competence.
Completely. We think we're judging fairly, but that glow has already made the decision for us.
Who first figured this out?
A psychologist named Edward Thorndike, back in 1920. He had military officers rate soldiers on intelligence, discipline, and leadership. But if a soldier looked neat and confident, officers gave them high scores across the board.
So appearance literally created the illusion of ability.
Exactly. Thorndike called it a halo that spreads. One shining trait made everything else glow.
Let me guess, there's a dark twin.
You guessed it, the horn effect. If someone does one bad thing, our brain paints them with a negative glow.
So we're constantly flipping between halos and horns.
Yep, it's efficient, but wildly inaccurate. We save the mental energy by generalizing. But it's like judging an entire song by the first note.
I've done that with people I date. If they're funny or stylish, I instantly assume they're emotionally intelligent too. Spoiler, they weren't.
Exactly. The halo effect is the reason the first few dates feel magical. You're filling in the blanks with optimism.
And then reality crashes in later.
You see them clearly, but by then your mind has already built a story.
Does this bias only affect people?
Not at all. It's everywhere. Brands, politics, even technology. Think of your favorite tech company. If they make one great product, suddenly everything they release seems revolutionary.
That's so true. I've defended my phone brand in arguments like it's family.
Exactly. That emotional attachment is the halo at work. It glues logic and loyalty together.
So it's not just manipulation, it's evolution, right?
Yes, humans evolved to trust quick impressions. It kept us alive. But in modern life, it backfires. In courtrooms, attractive defendants are less likely to be found guilty.
That's terrifying. Justice literally swayed by cheekbones.
And it happens in classrooms too. Teachers often assume well-behaved or attractive students are smarter. Even grades can unconsciously shift.
So the halo effect doesn't just change opinions, it changes outcomes.
Exactly. It can decide who gets hired, who gets promoted, even who gets loved.
Can it work the other way? Can we use it on purpose?
Absolutely. You can create your own halo. Dressing neatly, speaking clearly, showing calm confidence, these things make others perceive you as capable before you prove it.
So you're saying fake it till you make it has scientific backing?
In a sense, yes. Confidence creates a self-fulfilling loop.
But that's a double-edged sword, right? Because it also means we can get fooled.
Exactly. Politicians, influencers, and even cult leaders rely on the halo effect.
It's wild how much we trust charisma over evidence.
It's our default setting. The brain rewards simplicity. It hates contradictions.
That explains why scandals shock us.
Exactly. And social media multiplies this bias. One well-edited post, one polished smile, and suddenly someone becomes a role model.
And the more followers they have, the stronger the glow.
Right? Popularity itself becomes a halo.
So what's the antidote?
You start by slowing down. Notice your instant impressions and challenge them. Ask, what do I actually know about this person?
So basically, mindfulness for judgment.
Exactly. The halo effect isn't evil, it's just lazy. Awareness is the cure.
But it's not just how we see others, right? It's also how we see ourselves.
That's deep and true. If you mess up once, don't let the horn effect convince you you're a failure. Give yourself permission to see the full picture too.
So we should treat ourselves the same way we treat others, with balanced perception.
Exactly. The halo effect teaches us that every judgment is a story our mind writes too quickly. You can rewrite it any time.
So the takeaway is, question the glow, whether it's flattering or blinding.
Yes. Admire the light, but seek the truth behind it.
That's kind of beautiful, eh?
It is. Because once you see how the halo works, you start noticing it everywhere, and suddenly, the world makes a lot more sense. And if you liked uncovering this illusion, subscribe to the Curiosity Vault, where we explore the hidden forces shaping your thoughts and behavior. Leave a comment. Have you ever realized your first impression was completely wrong? We'll be reading them. Until next time. Stay curious